Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Arbonne Haircare Scalp Elixir. Arbonne Scalp Elixir is a lightweight botanical serum designed to balance oil, hydrate dry scalps, and stimulate new hair growth. It features pea sprout extract, nettle, and essential oils, all meant to strengthen follicles and create the perfect scalp environment for growth. I used it for about a month, applying a few drops before bed and massaging it in. The first thing I loved was how it absorbed. Not greasy, just lightly tingly and refreshing. Within 2 weeks, my scalp stopped flaking and it genuinely felt healthier. I also started noticing tiny baby hairs near my hairline by week 3, which was encouraging. On Reddit, people had similar experiences as well as on TikTok, calling it a long game serum rather than a quick fix. That is accurate. It nourishes more than it regrows. Some of the flaws that I found is that it's pricey for the small bottle and daily users will run out fast. The scent is botanical, it might not appeal to everyone. It also doesn't boost growth dramatically unless your scalp is already healthy. So, my final verdict is that it is perfect for scalp treatment and maintenance, not dramatic transformation. I think it's a premium choice for long-term care, soothing, clean, and balanced. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.